Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyo ngayong New Moon in Capricorn ngayong December 31, 2024 at 6:26 a.m. Philippine time. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment, pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see Gemini. So, this reading, maaring mas makaresonate dito yung mga Gemini rising, okay? So, for you, itong New Moon in Capricorn is happening in your 8th house of your shared finances. Maaring yung iba, merong kayong magte-take out kayo ng loan sa bangko or uutang or magsa-start ng bagong negosyo. Kasi meron tong positive aspect sa inyong 10th house of career, your business, your reputation or what you do. Yung iba, pwede ring, this can be an investment like, meron kang isi-share na profit with others. Pwedeng business partnership din to with someone close sa'yo. Pwedeng asawa, kapatid, ganyan. You will start a business together. Some of you naman, kasi ang 8th house is also about intimacy, anything that you do with other people that is close to you. Maaring meron ditong magkaroon ng intimate connection, relationship sa isang katrabaho, no? So, syempre, ingat. Actually, hindi mawawala yung ganyan. Meron talaga dyan na minsan na-involve sa katrabaho or sa kasama sa negosyo, ganyan. So, be careful. Okay? And, syempre, dapat alam nyo yung mga repercussions, yung mga consequences ng gagawin ninyo. The new moon is about new beginnings. So, maaring merong sa inyong I feel like meron ditong secrets na ma-reveal or parang affair na magsa-start. Magsisimula pa lang. This can be a romantic affair, a business affair, or meron kayong magiging interesado kayo sa isang katrabaho. Or ang isang katrabaho ninyo interesado sa inyo. Someone here is talking. Ini-stalk ang other person. Lalo na kung attracted doon sa isa. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person na may interest sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng malalaman nyo pa lang kung sino tong taong to. Kasi magta-try na yan na mag-advance sa'yo or yung magpakita ng interest. You are shining, Gemini. Kaya maraming nakakapansin sa'yo. Past life. Okay. So, yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong career past, trabaho in your past na susubukan nyo ulit. Itatry nyo ulit. Baka dun ulit kayo magtatrabaho or same industry pero different company. Or you might start your own business. Clarity, ayan. Malinaw na sa'yo yung gusto mo. Malinaw sa'yo yung pinapasok mo na situation. Whether this is a romantic affair or whether this is business or investment opportunities. So, importante dyan, you know what you're doing. Kasi yung iba naman sa inyo, natuto na kayo dun sa past ninyo Natuto na kayo. So, ngayon, you know better. Oo, alam nyo na kung ano yung mas makakabuti na gawin. Okay? And, also, may mga creative talents and skill set kayo na susubukan, tapos gagawin nyo siyang negosyo. Or mas makikilala kayo. doon sa talento nyo na gagawin nyo siyang main source of income. Halimbawa, magaling kang mag-bake ng cake. So, noong una, ginagawa mo lang siya for fun or for your family, for personal use. Ngayon, you will bake for a lot of people. Gagawa ka ng cake para sa ibang tao to earn money. You will also do multiple sources of income. Oo. You have the Five of Swords. Medyo very high ang competition dito. Marami kayong kakompetensya. Pero syempre, kayo yung magsha-shine. Yes. Yan o. The Magician. You're going to shine because extraordinary yung ginagawa nyo kumpara sa iba. Kumbaga, yes, maraming marunong mag-bake ng cake, pero hindi lahat masarap mag-bake ng cake, 'di ba? With the Nine of Cups here, there is a fulfillment. Meron kang minamanifest sa career mo, trabaho na maaring mangyayari siya, matutupad, or a certain business venture or an investment na sinusubukan mo or pinasok mo in the past na magiging, 'di ba? Magiging matagumpay. This is going to be abundant. Yung iba sa inyo rito, Gemini, ang daming gustong makipag-usap sa inyo, ang daming gustong makipagkilala. Oo. You're someone na malakas ang appeal. Oo. Malakas ang appeal. If you're in a relationship, no, yung mga nasa intimate relationship, I think mas mag-e-explore kayo ng partner mo sa inyong sexual activities. Okay? Rated SPG. But if you're single, I think mas magiging open ka sa mga bagong friends, connections. Pay attention lang, no, sa mga interest na yan. Yung kumbaga intention ng mga tao sa'yo. Oo. Kasi hindi lahat maganda intention. Hold your vision, fixed moon, and the energy is gaining momentum. Yes. So, yung visions mo, especially in your career, yung business mo, investments mo, hold mo lang yan. Kasi, ito ay mas lalong aangat, tataas. So, specifically, mga nasa stock market, nag-cryptocurrency, di ba? Tumataas yung value. But of course, don't take this as a financial advice. May sarili kayong discernment, no, at judgment dyan. But I see here na may plano kayo, no? Yung plans ninyo is to mas lalo nyong palakasin, pataasin yung value ng inyong business or whatever you are investing in. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much and see you again.